Ki kublai shibuni ki baro ki parolo ki parojor ki bajo sutenat ban snap ki kubor ani king advertisement ki ba kan wana hakani ka channel ti hakani ka step don kawi ka advertisement kabadi jong ka government of Meghalaya office of the superintendent of police jong ka cyber dengan puli ti ali perlok nya snap but banyak page yakni ka advertisement bakal ada ka government of Meghalaya jongka office of the superintendent of police jong cyber dengan puli yakni ka application kumbagalong ka application are invited by the cyber wings Meghalaya police for the appointment to the following 3 contract posts of the initial period of 1 year for data of appointment di ka office jong ka superintendent of police cyber ka code application ya di candidate for namata ka likely ki post contract basis ngini apa kini ki post kilong ka software developer number ang away nata ka remuneration kadai 1,000 per month kemudian kata kadai salary the database administrator ang away nata ka salary kanong 1,000 per month kau balai kadai ka UI UX developer pat ka balai kadai ka UI UX developer kanamba post tay tang away nang ka salary ng online pusan per month tay ka eligibility ka balangkong kadai ka minimum ka qualification mo ka kadai namata ka bachelor degree in computer science information and technology kebatan jintip hakilan komputer nang ta kamak kadai banlong riu phomak equivalent but nata kabaar ka minimum age kadai arquest name nata kabalay ka minimum age kadai life science name nata kabasaw ka proficiency in haban page itu yang nama sama page itu di program language nata ki database system nata ki framework like level NET strong foundation data strong nata demo nata kabasan part kadai strong analytics nata pada description kadai ka software developer mo long application based nata develop funky android itu tata nata kabaar pa kadai ka database administration management database save a program kumdon kamaki program nata application security and guideline nata kabakri kadai ka UI UX developer application front and webs android accessibility naman rekaman tip ya ki syapang kita ki web selani ti atkan android mo nata ka application mo process sing nata ka application shall be submit and submit ya kan application lawan submit lang ba ka email how to email ccw max government.in nata in soft copy dan as the format the anwas form A subject email application for the contract post 2025 nata kaba arabat kaba last date ban accepting yakni ka application kadai haka absan tarik banai balai receive after the deadline of will not be accept anda hadin nakata ka absan tarik kemudian kamu accept show yakni ka application ka jongpi ka screening lani ka interview kandai after the screening of eligibility lani candidate shortlist for the online screening test kabaar pat the syllabus for the screening test for the following the lembaga basic of computer and information technology dan kam bantip ya ka basic computer lani ka information technology ke jengtip baga teknologi kabaar ka fundamental of the computer network and computer bantip ya ka fundamental jong ka computer network kata kabalai ka fundamental concept of computer program kita bentip dia kata konsep jong ka computer program kata kabalai kadai basic concept of the cyber security ini bentip kita ru ka basic nata ka data structure nata python nata ka AP testing debugging nata give a version control nata attitude of the logical reasoning take a balai based on the research scanning for top 10 candidates Namanta for each post will be select for the interview. Namanta based on the marks of the interview, interview, this will should be select for the each post. Kung naman apply pati ka linkan sa buah po ka description, kita check po ka description niya ka links pati apply. Di lada pinang man apply, fill up and sa po ka saibar. Pada pinang man apply, di pin click itu ka link, di kulay sibon sa subscribe ro ikan ka channel.